Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar CAD, I'm definitely still very bullish overall, but I think that this is probably a wave A. I think this is very likely an A, a B, and a wave C of wave B. So, I definitely think it's going to go down, take out these lows right here before we actually go back up and make the bigger move to the upside. I think this is all an A, B, and C, which is either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think we already have a high in for the wave B. I still think this is more likely just going to keep on making lower lows, lower highs for the wave C of wave B. A, B, and C of wave B is what I think is going on. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have been in a completely sideways market for over 2 months now on the dollar CAD. Very, very, very sideways. I still think there's some clarity in here, though. I think this first push down is an A. I think this right here is an A, B, C of wave 2. And I still think we are very likely already in this wave 3. And I still think it's very likely it will just keep on going down, making those lower lows and lower highs. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we do have CPI interest rate coming out today for the US dollar. Definitely going to be a pretty volatile event, I would imagine. It kind of looks to me like this right here is an A. It kind of looks like this is 1, 2, 3 waves down for wave B. And it looks like it should actually go up for wave C. Maybe even all the way up to the 50% level because of this little drop-based drop zone right there. So maybe today's CPI is actually going to help it push up. But I would be a little bit cautious because the daily, weekly, and monthly do look like they want to keep going down. So it looks like it wants to go up and make a proper ABC before it continues the downtrend. Whether it's actually going to do that or not, I don't really know. Honestly, it might just push up like that and then just keep on trending down. You have to remember the trend is your friend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely does look to me like this is an A, this is a big wave B, and it looks like we're in a wave C. It definitely does look like it should just keep on going up to maybe that 38 and a 50% fib level I was showing you on the 4 hour time frame. But like I said, we do have a really big news event coming out today, so if it does anything like this, and then breaks structure to the downside, I would definitely get out of my logs and probably even go short. Because like I said, the trend is down on every single higher time frame, and the trend is definitely your friend. You definitely will make more money if you continue to trade with the trend on these sort of time frames. So it looks like it needs to go up and make a wave C, but the trend is down. So whether or not it's actually going to go up and make a wave C, I guess we'll just have to wait and find out. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.